Hello YouTube, welcome to a new video. Lot of travel, sacrifice. Apart from that, you also get to make money in wildlife photography. That is a common thought that is prevailing among youngsters and passionate enthusiasts. And this is a common question that has been put forward to me on each and every Q&A session that I conduct on Instagram. So I thought I would bring you up to the world of reality. Before we get started, make sure you share this video with someone who would find this information very useful. Like and comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hi, I am Navneet Krishnan. I am a wildlife photographer and a conservationist. I have been working with some of the prestigious organizations across the globe, such as the National Geographical Society, WWF, for the past 8 years. Make sure you watch the video till the end. I have discussed some points on how to make money at the end of the video. Make sure you do not miss that out. My journey with the wild started in the year 2011, post which I had started my travel on a regular basis. And after working for a few years, I had started working with some of the prestigious wildlife organizations in the country. I would rather say I was lucky enough to work with some of the amazing conservationists and environmentalists that the country has over the years. Each time I got introduced to someone, I would try to gain as much as knowledge about nature and wildlife from them, and gaining knowledge would be my greater priority than making money. Now I travel wherever I want, I stay wherever I want. But how is all this possible when I say money was not my priority and just gaining my knowledge was my priority? Now you should know something serious. I am not a wildlife photographer. Now you would be confused because at the starting of the video I said I was a wildlife photographer, and now I end up saying I am not a wildlife photographer. Yeah, I understand the level of confusion that you are in right now. Yes, I am not a full-time wildlife photographer. And even all the top wildlife photographers that you see on your social media platforms are not full-time wildlife photographers. They do something as well. So let me tell about myself. I just don't do wildlife photography. I do all the other genres such as fashion, portraits, weddings, events, baby, food, and all the other genres that help me make money, and I have gained lots and lots of experience over the years. So as I said, I have been doing all the other genres of photography, which would help me roll in some money into my pocket, which would help me develop my wildlife photography skills and travel to all the wildlife destinations. The greatest advantage I had was I was using my own gear to photograph for each and every day in my life for 6 to 8 years, and that helped me develop my photography skills to a greater level. As I started to travel with lots of conservationists and environmentalists over the years, they would drench me with lots and lots of knowledge on nature and wildlife. That would be more than enough for me for that particular project or assignment that I have been with them. I am always thankful for all the conservationists and environmentalists and all the unsung heroes that I have met in my life. Apart from that, do you think there is no other way to make money? There is. That is the important part of the video. When you don't get to work with conservationists, working on other genres of photography is the only way? No. There are several other options from which you can choose and start making money. 1. Conduct photo tours. In this, you can go as a mentor for photo tours, in which you will need a basic knowledge on wildlife, tracking species, basic knowledge on birds, basic knowledge on the destination that you are into, and an in-depth knowledge on photography that you will be guiding the guest that you are taking into the jungle. So once you are equipped with all these skills, you can go and join any wildlife travel company as a wildlife photography mentor. Conduct photography workshops. This is simple as conducting photography class online or offline. So for this, you would need the basic skills of photography and an advanced knowledge on lighting that would help the participants understand photography even more, and some certain tips and tricks that would make the workshop more interesting as well. Equipment rental. This would be a final choice I would recommend for you, as there is a huge amount of investment that comes into making this particular thing work. So equipment rental, basically you need 4 of each camera choices, such as 5D Mark IV you need 4 bodies, 7D Mark II you need 2 bodies, such as you give certain options for the people who are coming and taking away the equipment rentals. So there is a large amount of investment that is required for this. So if you are investing a large amount of money, then I would recommend you to do equipment rental, or else keep it as the last choice. Choose a destination that you would love and set up an eco stay. This would be a last choice, as this also needs a huge amount of investment that you'll have to put into. This is actually a sure shot success once the tourism blooms. Considering this particular pandemic situation where people are physically and mentally too much stressed, they need something like this, such as an eco stay which is around the nature on a cool and a vibrant place where they could relax themselves, is much needed for people at this moment. So if you are coming up with something such as an eco stay that would help people relax their mind and mentally and physically, that would be a greater choice and you could make a lot of money. This is also something that I would recommend as a last choice if you are not investing a huge amount of money. You don't want to work as a part-time wildlife photographer. You want to be a full-time wildlife photographer. Is that possible? Yes. You upscale your photography skills, gain knowledge on animals, gain knowledge on birds, learn how to track animals, how to track birds, gain knowledge on nature and wildlife as a whole. Get yourself associated with certain wildlife organizations that are prestigious and that offer large amount of assignments and projects. Make sure you take up these projects initially as a collaboration, work on them, invest your money, work on them, make sure you learn a lot of things, and then slowly as the years pass, you start working as a full-time wildlife photographer. Making money in the field of wildlife photography is a nightmare, but making your dream come true is in your hands. Good luck.